everyone, I'm Sarah, and today I'm here to show you an easy and effective way to teach kids to add. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have after the end of the presentation. Now I know that there are many different ways to teach kids to add. There is the tried and true method of using your fingers. You can also have a child use a number line. They can use manipulatives or other counters. Or in today's tech-savvy world, you can just have a child use a calculator. Today, however, I am here to show you how to teach kids to add using the Touch Math program. Now I'm sure many of you are thinking, what is Touch Math? Well, Touch Math is a hands-on program that is good for kids of all ages and all grade levels. It covers number sense, adding, subtracting, and even money. It's easy to teach and even easier for kids to learn. And while it's typically used in special education classes, it can also be used in gen ed classes. The most important thing about the Touch Math program are the touch points on the numbers. So as you see here, the number 1 has 1 touch point. So the child would simply say 1. 2 is 1, 2. Once the child has mastered these, you can move on through the numbers. As you can see on this slide, the numbers 1 through 3 have individual touch points. This pattern holds true for the number 4 and the number 5 as well. However, with the numbers 6 through 9, the pattern changes just a little bit. As you can see on the number 6, there's a circle around the touch point. So when you see the circle around the touch point, you touch that spot twice. So to count 6, you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, if there's a circle around the touch point, you count it twice. If there's just a touch point, you would count it once. So 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This pattern holds true for the number 8 and the number 9 as well. Once the kids have mastered the touch points on the numbers, you can jump right into addition. So the first example I have here is the problem 6 plus 3. So all the child needs to do is count the total number of touch points. So they would simply say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Another example is 9 plus 4. So the child would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the Touch Math program also works for problems or numbers that are bigger than 9. So as you see here, I have the problem 10 plus 5. So in this case, what the child would do is say the bigger number first, which is 10, and then count on using the touch points. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Another example is 12 plus 8. The child would say 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And just like that, your child is adding. Now, as I said before, I know that there are many ways to teach kids to add, but I hope after seeing this presentation, you see how fun and easy the Touch Math program is. Thank you again for your time, and at this point, I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have.